What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable real-time translation in Zoom quickly and easily. First, open the Zoom app and join or start a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, click the More button from the meeting toolbar. Next, select Show Captions to enable captions during the meeting. After that, click the settings icon next to the caption options and look for caption language or translation settings. Choose your preferred language from the available options, then save your changes. Zoom will now display translated captions in your selected language, helping you follow conversations more easily during multilingual meetings. And that's it. That's how to enable real-time translation in Zoom. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!